I think there is something that's
sorry, I want to close up. Hold on.
my sister.
What did you tell me about the procedure?
No, I'm.
What? I asked. One son, chop son. I don't know how to say I don't know how to say close. I take close.
In summary, a total of 31 rifles were intercepted within the first 2 weeks of July 2023. Investigations into the seizures are still inconclusive. The outcome of our investigation, together with the seizures, will be handed over to the appropriate authorities for further investigations and prosecution. However, we can draw some inference at this stage because of some of the features, very close features, of the two seizures in Tincan and PTML. In the meantime, we will be telling you those who are arrested in connection with this incident. Despite the inconclusive nature of the investigation, I would like to commend all the officers who are responsible for this landmark seizures. I want to commend them through their controllers who are there with this for this briefing. Controller Oloyede of Tincan Island and Controller Yusuf of PTML. I have directed the ACG headquarters to immediately issue letter of commendation to all the officers so that we will motivate them to do better. Distinguished gentlemen of the press, illicit arms obtained by non-state actors have boosted the proliferation of small arms and ammunition across the country. This accounts for the increase in violence, kidnappings, robberies, and mass killings in our society. Let me at this point state that we have re-strategized our operations while our officers have raised their level of professionalism, and they have keyed into the mantra of renewed hope aimed at facilitating legitimate trade. In doing this, we will be assuring all our compliant traders and importers that they will have nothing to fear. We have rejected new tactics to tackle the economic and security menace caused by recalcitrant importers and their agents. The services, human resources, and logistics are collectively harnessed to combat and prevent economic sabotage. I implore importers and agents to be patriotic by making sincere declarations and be properly guided by the import and export prohibition list. I also urge the public to see security as a collective responsibility. We will appreciate information of illegal importation and cross-border movement of dangerous weapons used to create mayhem in our nation. While I thank you all for your attention, I will just quickly take you around this seizure. Okay, this is the one done by PTML. This is the right uniform. So that way, your uniform. I should not be my Excuse. Where are the other rifles?
When you move back,
move back.
Can I request that you all move
Yes,
back?
everybody move back. I can make my
good shot.
Move back.
Well, these are the ones from Tincan. The rifles, the pistol, the magazine, and the ammo that came with it. I think the common trend between these two seizures is the origination. Both of them originated from the US. Both of them, there is one common importer linked to both of them. And the agent is also the same. We have intelligence to suggest that this might be a trend that we should watch out for, and all our officers have been instructed to watch out, and we are doing our profile to ensure that if there are similar ones like this imported from the same place, possibly by the same agents, we are doing our profiling, we are going to pick them up. So thank you very much. We have this.
space. When you space, you up. When you move back,
Remain 3 steps. Remain 3 steps. When we do at the civilian, people are usually very I tell you back, you don't
look back, look back.
Okay, so these were the ammunition and these were the arms found inside the charcoal bags with the ammunition that came with it. Okay, so all these were packed inside this Tokumbo vehicle that was seized alongside with it. So maybe we just come back here if there are some.
Is this also from the US?
Well, this is not from US.